Hello and welcome to our video on eczema. Eczema, also known as atopic dermatitis, is a chronic condition that causes the skin to become itchy, red, and inflamed. It's a common condition that affects people of all ages, but it most commonly appears in children. In this video, we'll be discussing what eczema is, how it can be prevented, and how it can be treated. Eczema is a chronic skin condition that causes the skin to become itchy, red, and inflamed. The exact cause of eczema is not fully understood, but it is believed to be related to a combination of genetic and environmental factors. While there is no one definitive way to prevent eczema, there are some things you can do to reduce the risk of developing eczema or to manage symptoms if you already have the condition. One approach is to keep the skin moisturized. This can help to reduce itching and inflammation, and can also make the skin less susceptible to infections. Applying a moisturizer immediately after bathing or showering can be particularly helpful. Look for lotions or creams that are fragrance-free, as fragrance can be irritating to the skin. Another approach is to identify and avoid any triggers that may cause eczema flare-ups. Common triggers include certain fabrics, soaps and detergents, dust, and certain foods. Identifying the trigger of eczema is important and can be done through allergy tests or by noting down patterns of flare-ups related to certain food and other triggers. Dust and other airborne allergens can also be a trigger for eczema. To reduce exposure to dust and other allergens, it's important to keep your living spaces clean and free of dust. Use a damp cloth or a vacuum with a HEPA filter to clean floors, furniture, and other surfaces. Additionally, keeping windows and doors closed can help to keep pollens and other allergens out of your home. It's important to remember that eczema is a chronic condition, and there may be times when symptoms are worse and times when they are better. If your eczema is severe or not responding to self-care measures, it's important to see a doctor or a dermatologist. They may be able to recommend other treatments, such as topical creams or oral medications, to help manage the condition. It's also important to note that eczema treatment varies from person to person, and it can take time to find the right combination of treatments that work for you. With proper management and care, it is possible to reduce the symptoms of eczema and improve the quality of life. Thank you for watching our video on eczema. Remember that eczema is a chronic condition, and there is no one definitive way to prevent or treat it. However, by keeping the skin moisturized, identifying and avoiding triggers, and getting appropriate medical treatment, you can help to manage the symptoms of eczema and improve your quality of life. As always, make sure to consult with a doctor or a dermatologist if you have any concerns or questions about eczema.